Good morning mga kasundo. Dito po tayo ngayon sa CCP Bike Expo. Nakikita dito yung mga klase-klaseng bike. Ayan. Morning, sir.
Excuse me. Registration po muna.
Registered. Doon. May registration pala. Asan yung entrance?
Parang naghahanap ulit po.
Oo. Ito po yung stub entrance. Tapos tatakan sa braso. Bike Expo.
40 dual vision, 60 megapixel,
Pwede na yun.
30 fps.
Oh, pwede. 4K 30. Yan. Shimano. Bike Expo 2024.
God bless you even more. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you guys on the next one. Treat yourselves, healthy and pure. Visit their tents. Get to know how they can be able to help you start a business.
Papasok na po tayo sa loob ng displayhan ng mga bike.
If you want to start a water drinking business supplier,
150 per head ang entrance.
look for Mr.
Maraming tindahan dito.
Again, it's an opportunity.
Na
Never
display.
in this whole entire year you can get a free
Rakshak, tapos
from the franchise.
kuan, PTM mo.
And get yourselves
Lahat ng brand yata ng bike. Meron dito.
Again, we'd like to thank you guys for coming on down.
KTM.
We're giving away more raffle prizes. The only way for you not to win is if your raffle
Uy, yung mga gulong, oh. Maxis. Icon 27. 27. Magkano? 1.8. Per piece, 1.8. 1.8 ang presyo.
Sa EE ko pagdalang. Kasha ba? Kasha ba?
1.8 lahat. May 1.4 pang ano? Pang downhill.
4.7 ang price ko dyan EE ko. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa'yo kanina yung scratch
1.7 Icon race.
Ay, madumi.
Icon race.
Sandwich lang ka.
Alright. Upuan, pedal. Yun, no. Sapatos, CB. CB. 2.6. Handlebar. Ay, ano ba yan? Magkano yung CB?
Oo, yun.
14,300. Road, pang road.
40 yun, 40.
Risking.
Pinawag niyo sa'yo kanina, 40 yun.
Helmet. Mip. Pisik na bang naupuan? Magkano? 3,900. Wow. 3,900. Mit na helmet. 3,000 din. Shimano. 880. 960. 12 speed. 26. Rotor. 2950. Dura SPR. Pang Rumbay. Saka pang mountain. Magkano? 1,550.
It's the 360. But as we are waiting for Insta 360, we're going to raffle some stuff. I know the next generation are actually at work right now, bringing themselves home.
For our raffle, the
Lima.
winner is
6,000.
Carlo V. Bautista. A shirt and life cycle sauce. Carlo V. Bautista with the number
Lima.
13.
Magkano yung bomba? 750 lang.
6-8.
Air pump.
4,989.
Air pump. 682. Limar, mahal.
And the name is Carlo Bautista. Carlo Bautista. Alright, so if you're not here, Carlo Bautista, keep on going.
Wala pa siya, wala pa siya.
Carlo V.
Yung Mavic. Yung Wilson.
Carlo
Marlo Lee Deaf. If you are deaf.
Continental.
Is he deaf?
Yeah, so I think
So, kaibigan mo si Marlo Lee. Paki ano naman kalabit, sabihin, sino ang nanalo.
0227.
Marlo Lee is
Pag
deaf.
mo palit siguro ka, naka-raffle stop.
Mga siguro.
Alright, wala pa si Carlo, so
Ilaw.
we'll call
Infinite.
all our friends from
Infinite.
Insta360.
Micro.
This is Maka. Alright,
Ay.
she'll talk about a good product actually.
Sorry.
Ay,
It's called,
nailaw.
you know it, right?
Yeah, you know,
Ito,
they've been
malaki.
with us for all this time. In the last time, 25,000 pesos worth
1,100 lumens.
So here we
You guys are
have
awesome.
Insta360.
50
We'll
hours.
talk about the new products the new developments.
So may bago
And
pala.
offers hopefully discount.
Yung mga
You have to stay here in the middle so that everybody can
Wala
see you.
mong
There you go.
Ha?
Alright, again, what is the name of your awesome product who partnered with us in this beautiful bicycle demo day and expo?
So for today's event,
Specialized. Gulong. Malalaki. 2.2 pang ano. Enduro.
Malinaw siya.
Mountain bike. Wala. Pang road yan. Magkano? Walang presyo.
Okay, so are we facing out?